My name is Thornby Dalton Prescott. I'm 20 years old and I'm from Putney Bridge. And now that I'm here and so grateful to be here, I'm just ready to learn.
Name?
Dean.
How old are you, Dean?
I'm 18.
Why do you want to become an actor?
Oh, an actor. Why do I want to become an actor? Well, basically, back in the day, my mum said I act a bit like Danny Dyer.
What's your name?
Edward Thompson.
Age?
20.
And why do you want to become an actor?
I guess I just always have.
Guys! Really great. Now, how would a mushroom walk? Everybody at the back wall, quick. You're gonna run down, run back, and when you get back, scream, "I hate you, Mom." Dean, how did that make you feel? Because you really went somewhere.
If I'm being honest, it like touched there, you know?
Yeah.
My mum's been mean to me in the past. You know when you just want to go, "Ah."
Edward.
Yeah.
How often?
Shh.
You haven't paid your bills.
Really strong stuff, guys.
Whoa, stop! Oh man, I don't suppose you could give me a lift, could you?
I could not. I've been on this track road for 15 days.
15 days?
Yeah.
Well, I've been on this road for 20. So can you get me on your horse and take me to somewhere?
Fine. Hop on.
Yahoo!
Okay, stop. Close your eyes. What did we learn today?
I learned that you should always say yes, and that drama and acting can be a way to get your troubles out.
The biggest critic is you.
Act and know thyself. Yeah. I think that's our work for today, guys. Excellent stuff.
Thank you.
Okay, first here is nice to see everyone again. Dean, would you mind just getting me a chair to sit down in, please?
How are you, Lorelei?
I'm great, I'm grand, yeah. How are you, Thornby?
I'm good. I'm ready. Feeling good.
Okay, so text analysis. What do we know about text analysis?
That Shakespeare in there?
Yeah, well, aye, it can be Shakespeare, but it's not. It's,
De-dum, de-dum, de-dum.
You done?
But soft, what light through yonder window breaks?
okay, I'm going to stop you right there. So, your thoughts are not down here, right? So, and Juliet is up in the sky, so just make sure you're playing it up there. Okay, just try again.
But soft, what light through yonder window breaks? Is it the east?
So much better. So much better. So, any questions?
Excuse me, Dean, if I may, Lorelei. You said we're going to throw away the rules of Shakespeare.
Yeah.
Would we then also be throwing away the contextualization of his worldview? And kill him in the shell!
Ah, no, mate, it's not working. Fucking hell.
Boys. What's wrong? Take a breath.
Well, I was trying to, threaten
Okay.
or corrode.
Okay. Well, you're trying to do that, but you weren't doing that, so let's try again and do it.
Do you need your glasses? Yeah.
Thornby, take them off. Look like a twat. Because remember, Brutus wouldn't have glasses back then. It's all about taking stuff away from you to be the character. All right. No. Play.
Sorry, Thornby.
Okay, straight in, go.
And kill him in the shell!
Kill him in the shell!
And kill him in the shell!
hold that feeling, hold that thought. And now take it back 20 years and you playing it as 5-year-olds. Okay.
I'm a 5-year-old. I'm to kill him in the shell. I kill him in the shell. I kill him in the shell. Kill my shell. Kill my shell. Kill him in the shell. Kill him in the shell. Oh God.
Okay. Thornby, what's wrong?
I think I'm having a panic attack.
Okay.
I just need
What do you need?
some